Dit is Oscar Onley, een Schot die met 5 andere toerrenners in Sittard woonde.
How was it to live with these guys?
Yeah, it was fun most of the time. No, we had good fun together.
Onley en zijn ploeggenoten woonden in dit opleidingscentrum, dat in 2019 door zijn ploeg werd geopend.
It's a really nice idea, and you can create a really good atmosphere in the team as well. There's a big difference between living together and just seeing each other once or twice a month for a race. And I think, yeah, it's made a huge difference, and you can see it now that myself, Pavel, Toby, like we all joined the development team together, and we're not just teammates, we're really close friends. This is Frank van der Prik, Tobias Lund Andersen, Nicholas Marco, Tim Nauberman, and Pavel Bittner. I wasn't so keen when I heard that I had to go live in the Netherlands at first, because I thought everywhere was flat. But no, as soon as I started riding in Limburg and then into the Ardennes a little bit as well, then it's a really nice area to ride. And obviously Maastricht as well is also a really nice city just to visit off the bike as well.
Van Schotland via Sittard naar de Tour de France. Dat Onley juist dit jaar doorbreekt in de Tour de France lijkt van buitenaf een verrassing. Maar het bijzondere is, het was allemaal aangekondigd. Want wie naar beelden kijkt uit 2019 van de opening van het opleidingscentrum van deze ploeg, ziet een paar opvallende gele straatstenen.
There's a brick outside the main office area at Sittard that has like it's painted yellow and it says 2025, meaning like the 2025 tour. I don't know what the goal was for the tour, but it's quite cool to have 6 of us here this year.